We're doing the streets and also the sidewalks.
A Frisco Public Works project to replace aging roadways in East Frisco is ahead of schedule.
Project's coming along very well. This is one of the older neighborhoods in the city.
Some streets, original to the Plantation Resort subdivision, are being updated.
They are replacing the street pavement. Once they get done with that, they will do the drive approaches for the residents. When that's completed, then they will do the sidewalks.
Voter-approved bonds are paying to replace Amalina Drive and 2 sections of Promised Land Drive.
Currently, we have 2 crews working on both locations. I think we're just a little bit ahead of schedule right now. We started the project back in November of last year, and the project is estimated to take about 10 months.
During construction, there are street closures preventing some residents from accessing their driveways.
They are patient with the project.
The project costs a little more than $3 million.
We hope for these roads to last about 20 to 25 years. We enjoy redoing the roads, seeing the final product, and then seeing the citizens happy with the project.